Good evening. This is Dave Rohrer, Deputy County Executive for Fairfax County for Public Safety again. It's 12 hours after my earlier message this morning. It's now almost 7 p.m. I want to thank you first for being safe today, for staying off the roads as much as possible, for enjoying time with your family and letting our road crews and public safety work the streets, clear the streets, and make people safe. As we go into the darkness now, though, as you know, it is beginning to snow again, and we're worried about conditions on the roads deteriorating. So we're going to continue to ask you to stay in place, to stay inside your houses, stay off the roads. If for some reason you do have to go out, please be safe. Whenever possible, stay in single file, drive safely, drive slowly, and leave plenty of distance for stopping. But be aware, some of the melting that occurred today, we have standing water, and that's beginning to freeze in places. VDOT and road crews have worked very hard today, but in some places, some lanes are not fully plowed. So if you're driving in two lanes or side by side, you may find yourself running out of a lane with a snowbank next to you and pushing you into a car next to you. So please, again, stay at home if you can. Allow us to continue to treat the roads. If you have to go out, drive safely. Thank you again for your cooperation, and be safe.